One-story home with a storage shed being sold as is with owner to make no repairs. Personal items in home and shed do not convey. This is a handyperson/investor special needs updates and some repairs. Double concrete driveway, partially fenced backyard. Main bedroom has a half bathroom. Backs to Camelot Elementary School, no backyard neighbors, large lot for outdoor entertaining. Attached garage has been converted to a heated and cooled room, fourth bedroom, but can easily be converted back. Camelot Park is very near. 2 blocks to HRT stop, 1 mile to I-64, 3 miles to I-264, 4 miles to Norfolk Naval Shipyard. Architectural roof shingles installed 2012, HVAC installed 2018.